This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9, and it reads, Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashman Kadash, the whole tongue, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article. I believe this is like the third or fourth time this occurred between the Iranian-backed group, which is Houthi rebels, which is originally formed in Yemen. They recently targeted the U.S. ship for the fourth or fifth time, if I'm not mistaken. I had seen another news article, and I was trying to do a lesson on that, but it had updated to this. So, I just want to add an additional note to that. And this is a news article from CNN.com, published by Haley Brisky of CNN.com, and it reads, as of December 6, 2023 at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it reads, U.S. warship shoots down drone launch from Houthi-controlled area in Yemen. A U.S. warship shot down an unnamed aerial vehicle from Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen on Wednesday in the southern Red Sea. A U.S. military official said there were no damage to the USS Mason or Brook-class guide missile destroyer or injuries to any personnel in the incident. The official said the drone was flying in the direction of the ship. As with other recent instances of drones being shot down, the official said it came close enough to the Mason that the commander of the ship felt it was a threat and needed to be shot down. And at least 3 Houthi drones that were shot down by the USS Carney on Sunday during a series of attacks on 3 commercial vessels. The U.S. official said, adding that to the Mason shutdown came after an attack on the U.S. and coalition forces on Tuesday evening, right, which was yesterday. It says, which involved a one-way attack drone, including against Assad Air Base in Iraq. There was no infrastructure damage or injuries reported from the attack, which marks the 77th against the U.S. and coalition forces since October the 17th, according to the officials. The Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen, shield political and military organized that has been fighting a civil war against the Saudi-backed coalition since 2014. The uptick in activities from the Houthis, as well as the attack on the U.S. forces in Iraq and Syria by other Iran-backed groups, began after Hamas attack on Israel on October the 7th. The U.S. has stopped short in most instances of saying that the drones from Houthi areas in Yemen were targeting various warships, saying only that they have been heading in that direction and considering enough of a threat that they needed to be engaged. But Houthis also have made directly attacks on commercial vessels in recent weeks, right? That's what we've been seeing, including 4 attacks on 3 vessels on Sunday. So I'm going to read all the rest of that. This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. It reads, Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. Joel 3, verse 10, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks and the spears, and let the weak see and groan. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying from CNN.com, published by Haley Brisky of CNN.com as of 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, December the 6th, 2023, as it reads again. U.S. warship shuts down drone launch from Houthi-controlled area in Yemen. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. And with that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. And that's the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadas Tongue, and Shalom to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwath. Until next time, I will say Shalom.